Hey friends, this is a wire nut twist tool, and it actually installs onto a drill to allow you extra torque on those wire nuts when twisting wires together. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. We're going to give you a quick demo, then I'm going to give you a quick review to see if it really is worth getting one of these to have in your toolkit. Now this particular kit is from Amazon, and it comes with a few things. One, a handful of wire nuts here. Two, the twist tool. This is for your larger nuts. And then it has three of these little attachments, and these are going to go on your smaller wire nuts. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a demo for this. As you can see, I've got my kit right here. We're going to put this off to the side. I've got a couple of wires here that we're going to need. And as you can see, one of these is already been stripped. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and strip this one really quick. I'm just going to put it in my automatic wire strippers. These are super handy tools, by the way. And clip that off. As you can see, that's now ready. Okay, so we've got our two wires that are ready to be spliced together using our wire nut. I'm going to go ahead and use the largest one we have right here. We'll go ahead and stick these wires in, and they do need to be pushed all the way back into that little metal shielding that's back there. And that is ready for us to now use the drill. So all we need to do is stick this into the end right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit the trigger. And as you can see, that starts to spin those wires. Okay, and as you can see, I'm yanking on these and they are not coming out. That is twisted on a lot more than I can actually do using my hands, it looks like. So again, that attachment for these larger ones works pretty darn good. Okay, so I stripped the wires back and made two new clean openings here. And I want to try the other attachments, one of these little guys here, on one of these smaller wire nuts. Now this wire gauge is just barely small enough to fit into our wire nut here, the smaller version. So I'm just going to stick these in there and we'll go ahead and try twisting with this other attachment. Okay, we've got our new attachment onto the drill. Just going to stick the end in just like that. And then we can go ahead and start twisting those together. Again, you don't want to use a ton of torque. Just a nice light twist should do it. And as you can see, those are in there pretty darn good. So again, it works on the smaller one with these smaller attachments. So there you go, friends. That is the wire nut twisting tool adapter for your drill. Are these a necessary item? Not really. To be honest, you can usually get wire nuts pretty tight with just your fingers and in a safe manner. But I will say, if you want that extra little bit of maybe peace of mind and getting it really nice and tight so that it really isn't going to yank out when you pull, well, these might be a really, really good option, especially if you have problems maybe with your wrist, carpal tunnel syndrome, those kind of things where you can't twist things really tightly. If you've got a drill, this really does add that extra amount of torque and gets things pretty decently tight. So if you want to grab one of these kits for yourself, you could actually get them right here on Amazon. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button and then stay tuned, subscribe, because we actually do a ton of these little tool review videos from stuff that you can find on Amazon to really help make your shopping experience and ultimately, hopefully, your projects just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends, and we'll see you again on the next one.